Alright, so let's talk about how to replace a document. So first of all, let's create a document underscore doc and with the ID 1001. And inside of it, we're gonna say the name is, for instance, sample, and the price is equal to 100, and lastly tax is 10. Right? So if I hit enter, we have our product, right? And if I say get slash products slash doc and 1001, I get that product, right? But if I try to, I don't know, say it's 1000 and I remove the tax and say hit, as you can see, the product is being updated, and as a result, we have the replaced document. So how is it actually a replacement? So it is actually very simple explanation. As long as you have the ID of that document, you can do whatever you want, and as a result, you're practically replacing the new result with the previous one. So for instance, if I say second name and say sample2 and hit enter, as you can see, it's being updated, and we have this document instead of the previous one. So cautious is that you have to be careful to just update the document as it is, because if you, I don't know, put some additional fields or remove one, you're gonna end up with inconsistent data. So be careful about the concept of updating a document, because there is no validation whatsoever. So this is it. This is as easy as it can be, replacing document.